In this video, teacher will discuss comprehensive practice question number 6. The distance time graph shows the motion of two cars for a distance of 100 km. Graph OA represents the motion of the car driven by Mr. Lee at an average speed of v km per hour. And graph OB represents the motion of the car driven by $, at an average speed of v minus 20 km per hour. Calculate A. The value of v is the difference between the time taken by Mr. Lee and $, to reach the destination is 25 minutes. Graph OA represents the motion of the car driven by Mr. Lee. The average speed is v km per hour. The graph OB represents the motion of car driven by $, at an average speed v minus 20 km per hour. In order to answer this question, we must know the formula for average speed. Average speed equals total distance over total time. So if we want to find total time taken, we need to move the total time to the left hand side and average speed to the right hand side. So total time taken equals total distance over average speed. Okay, now we look at the question. The difference between the time taken by Mr. Lee and $, to reach the destination is 25 minutes. So as on the distance time graph, the total time taken by $, is more than total time taken by Mr. Lee. So we need to write it in equation. Total time taken by $, total distance is 100 km over the average speed v minus 20. So total time taken by $, minus total time taken by Mr. Lee will equals to 25 minutes. But because the unit here is kilometer per hour, so the unit of the time here, minutes, you must change to hour. To solve the linear equation, for first fraction, you must times v, and second fraction, you must times v minus 20, so that we have the same denominator. This one multiplying. So we get 100v minus 100v, negative 100 times negative 20, we have positive 2000 over v times v minus 20 equals 25 over 60. And this one we can simplify it, divided by 5, and 60 divided by 5 equals 12. 2000 over v squared minus 20v equals 5 over 12. We do the cross multiplication. 5 times v squared minus 20v equals 12 times 2000. We expand the bracket. 5 times v squared equals 5v squared minus 5 times 20v equals 100v equals 12 times 2000, 24,000. So we need to solve the quadratic equation. So this part, 5v squared minus 100v minus 24,000 equals 0. If the quadratic equation, you can simplify it, you need to simplify it. So all can divide it by 5. So you will get v squared minus 20v minus 4,800 equals 0. As you know, we have few methods to factorize. Okay, one of the method you just use the table. Okay, so here is v squared. Here is negative 4,800. And v times v equals to v squared. And how to get 4,800? 80 times 60. And because here negative, so means that at the number 80 here we have negative. So do the cross multiplication. Here negative 80v, 60v. So we add it, we'll get negative 20v. So now we put in bracket. First bracket is v minus 80. Second bracket is v plus 60 equals 0. Okay, so v minus 80 equals 0 or v plus 60 equals 0. v equals 80 or v equals negative 60. Okay, so as we know, we cannot have speed in negative. So this is rejected. The value of v is 80. The time in 24-hour system, Mr. Lee reached his destination. So we use the formula of average speed equals total distance over total time. Average speed is 80 equals total distance 100 km over total time. And when we find the total time here is in hour because the unit is 80 km per hour. So total times equals 100 divided by 80. The time taken is 1.25 hour. So you need to convert to minutes. 1.25 times 60 equals 75 minutes. 75 minutes actually is 1 hour 15 minutes. If we want to write the time in 24-hour system, 0800 plus 1 hour 15 minutes, we can have 0915. So the answer is 0915 hours. That's all for today. Please feel free to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.